Good morning, 4th grade math. Today with Miss Flores, we're going to do multiplication 2-digit by 2-digit. And I have one of my students here helping me out. The strategy that we use for multiplication of 2-digit by 2-digit is the boot, pizza, clean your table, and set your plate. Now we got to make sure that we follow the steps in order and that we do them one at a time. So Armando's going to start with our boot, and he's going to do it in different colors so you can see the steps one by one. So we do the boot, which is your first step, and I'm going to tell you a little story. This was a girl that went to the rodeo. We can say the stock show with Mercedes because we're from the valley. And she got home and she was so tired that she threw her boot. It landed upside down. So 5 times 3?
15.
Don't forget to regroup your 1. So we regroup the 1. 5 times 5?
25.
Plus the 1?
26.
Good job. Now she got really hungry. We mark off the boot, right, Armando? The boot, because we've completed the boot. That way we don't forget the steps. Once we get fluent and we get used to it, we don't have to remind ourselves, but now we do. She was so hungry that she ordered a pizza. Ding dong, pizza gets there. So the pizza gets there, and she's getting ready to eat her pizza. So she cleans the table and sets her plate. Boys and girls, it's really important for you to set your plate. If you don't set your plate, you're throwing the value of the numbers off. So we mark it off, right? We did the pizza on your strategy. We did cleaning our table, and we set our plate. So we're ready to go with the second digit. 1 times 3?
3.
3. There's nothing to regroup, so we don't worry about that. 1 times 5?
5.
5. Now, what do we do in the bottom part?
We add.
We add. Very good, Armando. We add. And now we're regrouping, but in the bottom part, right? 5 plus 0? 5. 6 plus 3? 9. 2 plus 5? 7. And that's our answer, 795. We always self-check our answers, and we can use a calculator. And that was our strategy, the boot,
And the
pizza, clean your table, and set your plate.